it's me again, Emmanuel, and in today's vlog, I'm going to test and review the 2022 Liv Tempt 3 made by Giant for women. So come with me, guys, and let's check it. So guys, I have purchased the 2022 Liv Tempt 3 online at Evo Cycles here in New Zealand, and we have collected that in Queenstown. So the price was 899 New Zealand dollars. So this is the 2022 Liv Tempt 3 Metallic Black. So the grips are made by Giant there, and then the handlebar is also made by Giant with size of 31.8mm. The stem is Giant made as well with the size of 40mm. Then you got the bell there. So the brake levers here is Tektro. This is a hydraulic brake, and then micro shifter. On the other side is also a micro shifter, and it is a Tektro hydraulic brake. So that's the logo of Liv. We got a front suspension. This is a Suntour XCE. Then the tires are Kenda made, and then we got the Liv. The rims are made by Liv. It is a size 27.5. That's the logo of Liv. The front rotor is 180mm, and that's the hydraulic brake Tektro. So our frame here, guys, is size small. The color is metallic black. So we're going around this side. So that's the size here, size small, and it is a 27.5 for my wife. So we got the crankset here. It is made by Shimano with a size of 170mm. And that's our hydraulic brake Tektro. The rear rotor here is size 160mm. If you're going here, it is our saddle. The saddle is made by Liv, and then the seat post is made by Giant. So we got the assembly checklist here. Then here is our cassette. The cassette is a Shimano Dior, and then our rear derailleur is Shimano Altus. So that's our front derailleur. That's our crankset, Shimano. So it's time for my wife to test the bike.
I can say that this bike was really made for me. It is very comfortable and easy to use, especially to beginners like me. This is also a very budget-friendly bike, very reliable, and I feel like they're gonna hold up a really long time.
That's all for Liv Tempt 3 test and review. I hope it helps you guys, and thanks for watching, and see you again next time. Cheers!